Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So, comment, and commitment. Commitment. So, comment, to have an opinion, to have a thought about something. Yeah. To have a thought about something. To share your thoughts about something, yeah. There are comments below, yeah. Do you have any comments about what you saw? Any comments, any thoughts, anything you want to share? I often have a comment about something. Yeah, she is full of comments and always has something to say. Always has something to say. Yeah. When will the comments appear? Yeah. What comment can you write? Did you see those comments? Did you see those comments down there? Now, commitment to work and be involved with something or someone. Let's say, so like a marriage, for example. Yes, like a wedding. Okay, yeah, all right. Yeah, so we are in a strong commitment. I made a commitment to them that I would help you always. I promised them and made a commitment that I would always be here. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? So, to be dedicated to something for the long term. Yeah. He has a commitment to his plans. I am committed to my goals. Yeah. To my goals, working on them, focusing on my goals. Yeah. When there is a commitment, then everybody wins. Yeah. You need to have a strong commitment to your goals in order to make them a reality in the future. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. You need a strong commitment to your plans. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So comment to share your thoughts and opinion, and commitment, staying to something for the long term. So, can you use comment and commitment in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.